Now the Bible declares in Psalm 150 verse 5, let everything that has breath, hallelujah, must praise ye the Lord. Come on now, let's give him the highest praise. We thank you, Jesus. We glorify your name, Jesus. Hallelujah. We bless your name, we glorify your name. Hallelujah.
Lift Jesus higher. Lift Jesus higher. Lift him up for the world to see. He said if I be lifted up from the earth, I will draw all men unto me.
Oh yes, Lord.
Lift Jesus higher. Lift him higher. Lift Jesus higher. Lift him up for the world to see.
He said if I
Be lifted up from the earth, I will draw all men unto me.
oh,
I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back. No turning back.
yes,
The
Lord.
cross before me, the world behind me.
Let me hear you
The cross
say
before me,
the world
the world
behind me.
behind me.
The cross
The cross
before me.
before me, the world behind me.
No
No
turning
turning back.
No.
No turning back. I have decided.
Hey Joe, what's up, man? I see you from time, bro.
Long time, man, long time.
What's going on? What's going down, man?
I'm actually now just on the road, you know what I'm doing what I need to do in it.
Okay, cool. But the thing is, long time I ain't seen you in church, man.
Decided
I have
to
decided.
follow Jesus.
It'll be good to see you on Sunday. Tomorrow we're having service, you know what I mean? It'll be good for you to come down.
You're gonna be
and
there,
just
yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna be there, man. I'm gonna be there.
Yeah, you might see me then.
Come on, lift your hands and let us worship the King of Kings, for he is worthy.
All right then, bro. Take care, man.
Nice
Good to
one.
see you, man.
Yeah, man, long
Bless.
time, brother.
Yeah,
Take care of yourself.
yeah, nice one.
Jesus.
There is no satisfaction without salvation. S-A-L-V-A-T-I-O-N.
Come on, lift your hands and
There
say,
is no satisfaction without salvation. S-A-L-V-A-T-I-O-N.
shout it out.
Shout it out, loud and clear. S-A-L-V-A-T-I-O-N. Shout it out, loud and clear. S-A-L-V-A-T-I-O-N.
Come on, let me hear you say,
There is no satisfaction without salvation. S-A-L-V-A-T-I-O-N.
let me hear you say,
There is no satisfaction without salvation. S-A-L-V-A-T-I-O-N.
shout it out.
Shout it out, loud and clear. S-A-L-V-A-T-I-O-N.
Shout it out.
Shout it out, loud and clear.
My Lord.
S-A-L-V-A-T-I-O-N. When I
going on, man? You alright?
Yeah, man, long time.
Long time, man. What you saying, man?
Same old, you know, on the road, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah, what you doing?
I'm just out and about at the moment, just gonna do a little shopping.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. And what you doing tonight?
Tonight?
Yeah, what you doing tonight?
Nothing, I'm only free,
Yeah, you wanna go plan B?
A rave?
Yeah, man.
I don't know about that, you know, I've got church tomorrow, innit?
Church? Why you going to church for?
I bumped into my friend, he invited me to church.
Nah, man, that's long, man. Why?
I've been for a long time, innit, so I said I'll put by, innit?
Listen, just come out tonight, man. There's gonna be pure girls.
Jesus, you're excellent. You're excellent in all the earth.
I'll call you still, innit?
Alright, let me know, yeah?
Yeah,
Alright,
man, cool.
Bless, man.
Alright,
Take it easy.
You're excellent in all the earth.
You're excellent.
And if the people don't want to praise you,
My God.
you're excellent in all the earth. You're excellent, Jesus, you're excellent.
Fire.
You're excellent in all the earth.
My Lord.
You're excellent, Jesus, you're excellent.
You're excellent.
You're excellent in all the earth.
Oh,
And if the people don't want to praise you,
my God.
you're excellent in all the earth.
Oh.
And if the people don't want to praise you,
Yes,
you're
Jesus.
excellent in all the earth.
Oh,
Send down the rain.
send it, Lord.
Send down the rain.
Send it.
Send down the gospel rain.
And my Lord, I say.
Send down the rain. Send down the rain.
Send it, Jesus.
Send down the gospel rain. Send down the rain.
Send it, Lord.
Send down the rain.
Send it, Jesus.
Send down the gospel rain.
And my Lord, I say.
Send down the rain. Send down the rain.
Send it.
Send down the gospel rain.
Oh, yes. Higher.
It's coming down, down, down. It's coming down. And the glory of the Lord is coming down.
When the saints,
When the saints began to pray,
Then the
Lord will have his way. And the glory of the Lord is coming down.
send it down,
It's
Lord.
coming down,
We
down,
need
down. It's
your
coming
glory.
down.
My Lord.
And the glory of the Lord is
Oh, yeah.
coming down.
When the saints,
When the saints began to pray, then the Lord will have his way. And the glory of the Lord is coming down. When the saints began to pray, then the Lord will have his way. And the glory of the Lord is coming down. When the saints began to pray, then the Lord will have his way. And the glory of the Lord is coming down.
Guys, man, God bless you, you know what I mean?
Thank you for inviting us.
I'm sure your lives have been changed. I'm sure something's happened. You know what I mean? And it'd be great to have you guys come back next week. You know, come back next week.
Definitely.
Listen, make sure you're there, bro.
I'll come next year.
I'm looking for you. If you're not, I'm gonna hunt you down, bro.
Try